There could be more searches of the remote Victorian alpine region campsite where campers Russell Hill and Carol Clay were allegedly murdered. Their accused killer Greg Lynn faced Sale Magistrates Court on Tuesday ahead of a contested committal hearing scheduled for January. The 55-year-old airline pilot's barrister Dermot Dann told a brief hearing that he had received a highlights package of covert surveillance on Lynn's car and home, but had not received full recordings or transcripts. Read more: 5 arrested after pair assaulted, threatened with knives in Melbourne. Prosecutor Olivia Sparrow said there were listening device and phone intercept transcripts still to be handed over to the defense. Also, there may be a further search to be completed at Wonangata and Mount Hotham, she said. Lynn appeared by video link for the hearing, wearing a green check shirt, blue tie and black blazer. He was charged in November with murdering Hill and Clay at a remote campsite in March 2020. Their bodies were discovered in remote bushland outside Dargo in November last year, several days after Lynn was charged. He requested and was granted permission to appear by video link for the committal hearing, expected to run for 4 days from January 16. Firearms expert Paul Griffiths is among those due to give evidence at the hearing, though he won't be available until later in the month. The court heard firearms expert Paul Griffiths won't be available then, but his evidence could be given a week or so later. The magistrate said given the content of Griffiths' statement and Lynn's explanation for issues raised, he was a pretty critical witness. He said Griffiths would have to be called in person at a later date. Lynn has not applied for bail and remains in custody.